Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Warm Winter Birds. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it has 6 pieces. You get 3 images and 3 sentiments. I think this set is absolutely adorable. I love the adult bird hugging the little birds and the group of birds singing together. And then this one that has the bird hugging the snowman, it's just so cute. I'm going to stamp the images out so you can see what they look like. As you can see, they stamp out really nice and the images are just so cute. The biggest image measures approximately 3.5 inches wide and the other 2 images are about 2¼ inches wide. And they measure approximately 1.5 to 2 inches tall. I did make a card to share with you. I paired the Warm Winter Bird stamp set with the Slimline SurReally Cool Christmas paper. And then I used the Slimline Tapered Layers die set for the border around the card. That completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release, and don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.